爸，你来看我行在伫倒落啊！我行在伫泉州南外的Jiurishan啊，这搭好看无
My name is Jomar Lee. I was born in the Philippines. Ever since I was a kid, I've had deep connections with Nan'an Quanzhou. I remember when I was little, my father has been mentioning a mountain in his hometown, and the name of the mountain is related to time. In my father's description, the mountain is strongly connected to the great events that took place in about 700 years ago. If there is a time machine, I would certainly love to go back to that era to see the wind praying ceremonies.
这里就我们右手边的这一方，那你看博师就是泉州的市博师，就是海关。岁两1年2次祈风于通远王庙，在我们通远王庙举行祈风仪式。那么像我们的
Ancient Quanzhou people made their living on the sea. They followed the regular patterns of the monsoons when sailing out or returning home. It is said that every year, people at the seaside would pray to the sea god at the Jiuri temple at the foot of Jiuri mountain to pray for smooth and safe voyages. These inscriptions record the spectacular ceremonies of that time, and as time goes by, they are perpetually engraved in the long course of history.
Here are ancient recordings of ancient people who goes to the sea, just like us, modern people who use modern notepad.
These notepads have been preserved since the Southern Song dynasty and have become an important historical monument and site of navigation and trade. Generation after generation of Fujian people traveled across the seas with pioneering and innovating spirit, and my forefathers also departed from here to explore the world. The sea knows how far we have come through. Today, the wind-praying inscriptions under the ocean of stars still continue to witness history and civilization.
I am here in Jiuri Mountain Wind Praying Inscription. My name is Jomar Lee. Welcome to the World Heritage City, 中国泉州。